Hello everyone, welcome to the How to PC channel. So today we will talk about how to fix if Affinity Designer 2 tools are missing. Now you can see that on the left side and at the very top there are no tools. And how to fix it? So it's pretty easy. All you need to do is click on View, and here you can activate all your tools. To do it, click on Show Toolbar first of all, or just use the Ctrl plus Alt plus T shortcut. Okay, here it is. Now go to View again and click on Show Context Toolbar. Okay, now click on View again, click on Show Tools, double click on this window. Yeah, and that's all. This is how Affinity Designer 2 looks like in default way. So hope this video was really helpful for you. If I helped you to fix your problem, please subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. And of course leave your comments. Thank you. Goodbye.